What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be showing y'all how to use a fetal Doppler. So this is the one I got it off of, pretty sure it was just fetaldoppler.com. I'm going to show y'all how to use it, since whenever I learned I was pregnant, or found out I was pregnant, I wanted to get one of these and didn't really know how to use it, so I looked it up on YouTube, and so I decided to make a YouTube channel about it. So first of all, when you get it in the mail, it comes just like this. You can either choose this to be pink or you can choose it to be blue. I chose the pink one because I'm having a girl, so that would be cute. And then it does come with gel to put on your tummy, but I've used it all, so now I just use like aloe. Same thing, it does the job. So right here is the on button. You turn it on and it shows you focus. It shows you the battery, and this is where it'll show you the heart rate, and it'll show a little heart right up here. And this is the light button. I have the light on, and then I don't really know what this button does. I don't really mess with it a lot. I don't know, but this comes off and then you just put it on your stomach, which I'm about to show you guys, and you'll be able to hear my little baby's heartbeat. And then, oh, right here is the volume. So I'm about to show y'all how that works. Okay, so I usually lay down. I think that's the best way to hear the heartbeat and everything. So before I turn it on, I usually put the gel on it first, so you don't hear all of that. Bloop, and then bloop. Now I am like 6 months pregnant, but my tummy is little. I'm gonna have a little girl. Okay, so I got the gel on it. Let's see if it can focus on that. Yeah, you can see it. And then I got my gel on my tummy, and then I go ahead and rub that in a little bit before I turn it on, so I don't hear all that shh. And then I turn this on, and then you just gotta find her, or him. Let's see. Where is she? Oh. I don't know if you can hear it. Let me get closer. Oh, where'd she go? And sometimes you can hear your own heartbeat, so it's hard to tell. Where'd you go? Sometimes you gotta move around a lot to see, because they move. She moves a lot. She's always hiding from the fetal Doppler. Oh, did I find you? And all those little bumps that you can hear is the baby moving. Like boom. Oh. Oh. Usually the heartbeat's around like 150. Right now I'm around 130, so I'm seeing if I can get a better area. Oh, it's raining. It's thunder, not my stomach growling. Oh, see, now 148. She keeps moving. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Let me turn it off. And yeah, so that was it. I usually have like wipes. Like I would get up right now, but I don't want the gel to get all on my stomach and everything. So I'm just gonna get my camera. That's such a bad angle. Okay, whatever. So that's how I do it. Usually I have wipes on the bed, but I'm not prepared, I guess. I wasn't thinking. So I can wipe it off and then get up, but I was not thinking. So I guess I'm gonna have to end the video like this, because I don't feel like getting up and getting all that jelly on me. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you can hear everything okay, and that's thunder outside, not my stomach growling. But if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.